Poorani channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can generate lot of cash in your life. Yes, you heard it right. It is cash, C-A-S-H. All of us want to have lots of cash, but how we can do it? This is a fourth step that is going to help you do that. C stands for connecting with the higher source or your purpose. When you have your purpose right, it is going to definitely attract a lot of positivity in whatever you're doing. A stands for associating with the right people and right thoughts. And S stands for having and building a lot of good success habits. People say you need to learn from failures, but I say learn from success and make them your habits. And S stands for health, the most important thing which is going to be always the most precious in your life. Give time for your health, your physical, mental and emotional health. When you have this connection and associations, success habits and health right for you, you can always generate and attract abundance of cash into your life. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today, and please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling, and we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.